So as you can see, the website was open. MetaFoster is the name of this project. Simply you can go and join this project, and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then participate in it. Simply first of all, you can create your account, enter your full name, email, username, password, phone number, then confirm your password, generate a 4-digit pin, then select a country, and you can simply register your account. So it's a very simple and easy method for registration. I hope you will know how you can register your account. Then you can simply participate in this project. So I have already a account on this project, so simply I can log in my account, and then I will tell you about this project, how it's work, and how much you want to invest in this project. Simply send your money, and your investment will be added in this project. So it's a very simple and easy method, and it's give you a very big profit in future. I will tell you about how you can get more money from this project. And coming soon thing was also available in this project that give you a very big profit. So must participate in it, and it's a very simple and easy method for investing. Now I will tell you about how you can deposit or a withdrawal. For this you can simply go to a security center, verify your earning, and it's give you a very big profit, so must participate in it. You can also see a staking option. You can daily earn your money from staking. Simply how much you want to invest, simply select your amount, and then you can invest your money in staking and get a daily reward. You can see time period, and the total profit was also available. How much you want, simply select and get a daily profit from this method. Profit also sharing on profit history, bonus is also sharing here, so must read and then participate in it. I will also share with you the exchange of this project, MetaXF. So it's a good opportunity for you, and I will also share with you the MetaF USDT coin. You can see the current price and distribution of this project was available. Simply you can buy or sell from the exchange of MetaFaster. It's a very good opportunity for you, and the current price of this token was also available. You can simply go and then participate in it. It's a very good opportunity and give you a very big profit. So must participate in it, buy the coin, and it's give you a future based profit. So must invest your money and get your big profit in future. So many more currencies was also available. You can see many more pairs available. Which one you want to purchase, simply click and you can buy. But Meta USDT give you a big profit, so must participate in it and also get a big profit from this exchange or this method. So hopefully you will know the exchange method, coin details. I will also share with you. Now you can see a shop option. You will see an items, and details was also available. Simply click on a buy button. You can simply purchase these items and select the quantity, how much you want to purchase, and then you can simply purchase it. It's a very simple and easy method. Racing method was also available. You can see a game playing process. Minimum requirement of your PC was available. Must you have these things, then you can simply play the game and you can earn money. So game was also play for now simply for Windows, and coming soon you will get from Android or iOS. So it's a very good opportunity, and it's a long term earning project and give you many things. So must participate in it and get a big profit in future. So hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.